Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So I'm here with my niece. Say hi, Diana.
Hi.
So she said she want to help me do the voiceover, so we're gonna just freestyle it. Diana,
Yeah.
those are not what you're not to say because me not edit this and me know you know you're limited. Anyways, in this video I'll be doing a lot of stuff, a lot of prepping. You guys know that I love to prep before it's Christmas time, you know, just to make work easier on the day. So right here, so what look like me I do, Diana?
Yeah, mix this sorrel.
Okay, you love sorrel?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love sorrel too. So I was mixing the sorrel, guys. It came out so good. Look how pretty, look how colorful. And all I did, if you missed the previous video, cinnamon stick, pimento seed, ginger. That's it. That is it, guys. That's all. So mix the sorrel here. So earlier in the video, you see me roast a breadfruit because I'm gonna leave out early in the morning and I need to have my breakfast. So I did a roast a breadfruit for peel it so I could have fry some before me leave out. Now me strain off the sorrel. Think about 2 times me strain it. Me strain it after me put the sugar in it, and then I'm using that little funnel thing with a strainer on the top so it will strain. So I got that bottle, that big bottle, and that glass container. So that's enough. I'm not hosting, guys, but you know me, I love give, I love share out food and share my food and share my juice. So you know say everybody are gonna get them little plate. Now me I put that for cool. Let's get into the video.
Yeah.
So good. Perfect.
So I am. Make me afraid.
But yeah, make sure say it good. As in, me never have no complaint.
Okay, great.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so I just finished mix the sorrel, roast one breadfruit. Now me go cut up the chicken, clean up the beef, and come back to you know. I have no lime, so I use one orange, hoping it can still get the job done. I have vinegar, so I use vinegar for wash it as well. Finish wash it with the orange and never wash it again. Never wash it with some salt and with some vinegar. The salt helps with the sliminess. Alright guys, I'm just finished cleaning up the beef and the chicken. I'm gonna make the green season yet. Gonna make it right after this, but I'm going to go ahead and add the powder season to the meat, and then when I finish with the green season I go in and add it. So for season, I don't know, Maggi, all purpose, and I'm not really to do the whole heap of powder season, but just the Maggi alone. So that, and we're gonna add some curry. This is Better Pack curry. Right now is 1:56 a.m. and I'm not going to bed until I get all of them stuff here done and out the way. I got quite a few stuff done already because my roast the breadfruit, strain the cereal, make the cereal, cut up the chicken, clean it up, season it up, and the beef as well. So I'm on my way. I'm getting stuff done. I don't know, I love prep and I love the things last minute, so I'm just going to get them out of the way. I don't want to come back and do this. I add the powder season to the meat already, but I'm not add the green season yet because I'm not make it. The green season should have been the first thing when I make, but it's gonna get done in a matter. So this is it. I already washed and prep the veggies for the green season. You can go ahead and add anything you want to add to your green season, but this is what I love in mine. So I have some scallion, some garlic, some scotch bonnet right here, a piece of ginger, onion, sweet pepper, and some scallion. So this is what we're working with. So the meat season, just not have on the green season and the beef season. So the cereal tastes so good. I wish I could have tasted it. I wish I could have just gave everybody a glass. It came out really well. The ginger good in it, everything just perfect. And my eyeball, well, you guys saw that. My eyeball everything, and it came out really good. Babe, you start sleep? I can get a drink of water, please. So everything is all chopped up and ready to blend. I'm probably not going to use this because it's too small. So I'm going to use the NutriBullet. The reason why it look like this because I did blend turmeric in it. It's not dirty. I just stain the turmeric, stain it. So let us get right into it. So I need to empty back this out. This nice for use though. So this is it. We're gonna blend it now. When this shrink down a little bit, I'm going to add the rest. I went ahead and add some olive oil in it, but you can use whatever oil you have or just blend it as it is. So I'm going to add the rest to it now. It smells so good. Just clean up back the area a bit. Ooh, smells so good. So I'm gonna put it in another jar here. I did rather the one them with screw, but this not bad because it's sealed. See, it's sealed tight. So let us transfer it. I want to leave back a little to season the chicken and the beef. So this is all we got. Anyways, I can make some more. I just want this to use on Christmas Day, and I think this is enough. So it's just to add some more flavor to the pot when I'm cooking, and I should think this can work. Whew, what time now? 2:14. Anyways, we moving. Wish you could have smelled this. Smells so good. So we're gonna add it to the Ziploc now and make it do its thing. So this is it. We're going to the beef now. The beef, and this is the chicken. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge and then work on the coconut. I must leave the coconut alone. When I want to come back, come do them stuff here, you know. And remember guys, I'm not hosting, so this is enough. Pop them away and work on the coconut. Alright, I need to rinse up them stuff here first. Give me a second. Too much mess. I don't like to see too much mess. I break the coconut and come back. It broke. I can taste the water. Why me a whisper? It's nice. I left some for Jason. I want to taste it if it's sweet. Tastes good. But need to break up some more. I'm finally finished. I'm gonna tell another time. I can't see. Wait. Focus. Oh, yes, right there. 2:57. 2:57, and we got everything out the way. The chicken, the coconut. So I just make it stay in the freezer until I'm ready for it. Hold on. And this cereal. I may have another container. You guys saw that earlier in the video. But yeah, I'm tired, guys. Thank you for keeping my company. Really and truly appreciate it. I'm gonna go to bed now and pick you guys back up tomorrow, because tomorrow is another day when I know say make it just exhausted. No, I go want to get 2 hours sleep or somewhere there. So but yeah, I'm just happy to get the things them out of the way. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, wait, I'm packing back your fridge first. Wait. Yeah, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Bye.